high voltage will strike a little tiny arc across here. That arc will be very, very hot. So hot it will heat up and turn into a plasma, which is a fourth state of matter. You might get to that later in physics when you study it. That hot arc will start to travel upward because heat generally rises in an atmosphere and in Earth's gravity. And because it's so hot, that arc can also expand. It'll move outward a little bit. Now, it's a little bit finicky, so to get it started, I have to start swinging to make sure the gap is the right spacing. It's starting to work. Wait for that spark to heat up a little bit.
We use this to heat it up.
Oh no.
No.
That would not be fine. Okay. I thought it was going.
Starting to work better now.
There it goes.
It's heating up. It will start to rise.
It is.
And I'm afraid our transformer started smoking. That's never a good sign, so we're just going to have to unplug it now.
All right. Well.
We have propane gas coming in from one side, and we have a speaker on the other. And then, so the propane gas is a flammable gas, and it goes in, fills in the tube, and then there's little holes in the top, so it comes out, and we lit it. So now there's just these flames here, okay? And so when we use this to represent what sound waves do. And if we play a single tone, you'll be able to see what happens. There's a lot of technical difficulties here. Different sound wave has a specific wave. You guys see how we have, it looks like it's a wave here?
Yeah.
So we have different areas of pressure in the tube. So a different sound wave will make different pressures in the tube. So we have some areas of high pressure, some areas of low pressure. When there's high pressure, more gas comes out, and so there will be a higher flame. And if there's lower pressure, less gas will come out, it will be a lower flame. And so if you can visualize a wave inside the tube, and the height of where the wave gets the highest is where the gas comes out the most.
Sounds like a fart. Sounds like oh my gosh. Whoa, what happened? Why are you firing? It's gonna explode. Like a wave. What?
So what happened there was we were increasing the frequency. So we were making more bumps in the tube. That's why you can see more waves. We started out with 2 waves, and then 3, then 4, then 5, and 6. So as sound gets higher, the frequency of the wave gets higher as well, which increases the pitch. So then, another thing we can do with this is we can play music, and we can let the music and the fire interpret what the music is doing.
That's cool. How is fire speed?
Does anyone have any questions about this? Yeah.
How does it make the sound?
How does it make the sound? So we have a computer back here, and we have a speaker in one side of the tube. And we put a speaker in there to produce the sound wave that goes through the tube.
This experiment is called the deflagration of methyl borate. So we put some methyl gas in here and we put some methanol and boric acid in here. And we're shaking it up very fast so that all the air and all the gas and all the boric acid mixes together. This is similar to the combustion that happens in a car engine. So if I were to light this up, there's going to be a colored flame that would come out of here. And the colored flame will be dependent on the type of chemical and the gas that we put in. What do you guys think for boric acid? Do you want to guess the color?
Yeah.
What color?
Yeah, green. Red.
Red.
Red. Blue. Red. It's for red. Green. Make a blue color. They just said it was
Purple. I'm going to go ahead and try it.
Oh, yellow.
Twist it. Twist the knob.